Our topic today is scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way of writing very large or very small numbers. Para siyang maliliit na numbers or malalaking numbers. Kagaya ng a number is written in scientific notation. In scientific notation, when a number is between 1 and 10 is multiplied by a power of 10. For example, ito, 650 million can be written in scientific notation as 6.5 times 10 to the power of 8. Ito po yun, kaya naging 650 million. Kaya 0.5. Tapos, i-move natin sa dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, magiging ilang zero po ito? Magiging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 na 0. Magiging siyang 650 billion. Ang tawag po dyan sa 650 billion is standard form. And ang tawag naman dito is scientific notation. Okay, next na po tayo. Example, ito po. Example. 500 is to 5 times 10 to the power of 2. Ito yung second example. 7.7 times 10 to the power of 9 is 7 billion. Pag ito naman isa is 8.6 times 10 to the power negative 9. Kaya naging walang whole number kasi negative po siya.
Volunteers. Wala po.
Wala po bang makakasagot? Mag-raise hands lang po.